me after class?
Yes.
Well, I'm here.
Thank you.
You wanted to see me after class?
Yes.
Well, I'm here.
Thank you.
I'm gonna go now.
Hey, loser! Just dropping by to make sure you and your team are ready to lose on Friday.
Oh, you must have the wrong room. Mr. Young doesn't participate in anything requiring any sort of movement or muscle mass.
Echo, this is Coach Nash from Western High. He coaches their engineering squad.
Their undefeated engineering squad. Go, Boltmen! And we will remain undefeated after we wipe the floor with you at the paper airplane design competition.
I'm supposed to be intimidated by the bald men? I work for a bald man. And let me tell you, he never wins at anything.
Well, we happen to have a new transfer student on the team. Meet Yuki, an origami paper folding champion from Japan.
It's beautiful. And so fragrant.
It's not fragrant. Give me that. Ow! This thing has thorns.
I told you he was a champion.
Well, this isn't a flower-making competition. This is a man's game. Paper airplanes. Big deal, so it floated out the window.
Then flew back into the school, up the stairs, down the hall, knocked on your door, and landed in Yuki's strong, skilled hands.
See you at the competition.
Bye, Yuki.
Ivy, I'm done with your errands.
Oh, good. You got my dry cleaning.
Yeah, I got into a shouting match with the guy. He tried to charge me full turtleneck price for your mock turtleneck. And I got your heel fixed.
Thank goodness. I don't know how I've survived without these. And did you get those fashion magazines I wanted? Great. Ew. Look at this cover model. What is this, the pity issue?
Oops, that's a financial magazine. I must have bought it by mistake.
The world's 100 richest men? They're all a bunch of nerds.
Of course they are. Who do you think goes on to create wildly successful .coms, invent must-have products, and start multi-million-dollar companies?
Cool kids?
Nerds. Today's poorly dressed nerds or tomorrow's poorly dressed